Let's see where she's at. Oh God! There she is. She doesn't know what to do with these lights though. It's over here. Oh. Don't look at me like that. Why aren't you in your crate? How did you open your crate? I think she sees ghosts. Is it over there? There's a ghost over there? This is weird. My dog should be in her crate and it's opened. And she's looking at some kind of paranormal activity going on here. This is insane. What is there? What is it? Huh? See a ghost? There's nothing over there. What is it? You see something? Something over there? Oh. Fucking flashlight. Oh God, look at that face. Oh God. What are you doing? Don't you scare me like that, little girl. Look at this face. It's the dog that sees ghosts. The dog that sees ghosts.